Well, I wanted to thank you for taking the time to view this short video, and I promise it will be short. Just to we want to give you the idea of how your company can benefit from using Legal Shield and giving that opportunity to your employees as well. So let's just get to it real quick. Legal Shield was established in 1972. We're a 41-year-old company, and we were first designed to market prepaid legal services. Legal Shield is to attorney fees what major medical is to hospital and doctor bills. So many of the legal services you and your employees need most are prepaid through your prepaid legal membership. So um, basically, who does Legal Shield cover? The member and their spouse or significant other, so it's afforded to both of them. Um, Never married dependent children to age 21. Never married dependent children, full-time college students to age 23. Never married children under 18 of whom you are a legal guardian, and mentally or physically challenged children living at home forever. There are five major areas of legal assistance that Legal Shield provides. One is at unlimited advice, topics, personal or business, even pre-existing conditions before you're a member of Legal Shield, you can get advice on. 24/7 emergency assistance, so if something comes up that's urgent, no matter what time, you have access to an attorney. Letters and phone calls are made on your behalf so that you can let people know that you're serious about an issue when you want to try to get something taken care of. Legal document review for up to 10 pages each, and a standard will preparation usually costs between $500 to $1,500 per will. So that's all part of the Legal Shield membership. Motor vehicle service, meaning traffic tickets and traffic offenses, 15 days after you're enrolled, you're covered. No matter where you are, what state, anywhere, Legal Shield will have an attorney that will defend you on those types of violations. So if you're in another state and you're traveling through and you get a ticket, you don't have to go back to defend yourself in that state. If you're in another county that's hours away, you don't have to go back and defend yourself. Legal Shield will defend you based on your membership. Also, audit services, IRS audits. If you're ever audited by the IRS, Legal Shield will defend you in those audits for the years that you're covered under the Legal Shield membership. Trial defense, you have 60 hours the first year, and it goes up 60 hours every year after that, so 5 years, so you can get up to 300 hours of trial defense as a Legal Shield member. If anyone ever names you as a defendant in a lawsuit, you will be covered up to 300 hours after the fifth year and 60 hours for the first year of your Legal Shield membership. A lot of employers will ask me, well, will this give me, my employees, the ability to sue me for different things? And absolutely not. Employers are held harmless for employees that they offer this to. So no Legal Shield will not represent an employee against their employer that offers this to them. So if we look at the explosion in the benefits cost, you'll see that the difference between the 1990s and today is pretty significant. Back in the early 1990s, employers were able to offer their employees 401k, life, pensions, vision, dental, long-term disability, short-term disability, and a health plan. Today, you're lucky if you're able to supply your employees with long-term disability, 401k, and a health plan. What Legal Shield does is give you the ability to offer more benefits to your employees. So why do businesses spend so much on benefits? To attract and retain quality employees. Benefits are a retention tool. You pay for retention. Health insurance, vacation time, miscellaneous things like 401k, various reward programs, extensive training sessions, bonuses, break room facilities, those types of things. An employee that's at a job sees these things as valuable parts of being part of your employment. 50% of absenteeism is due to a legal matter. Traffic tickets, real estate and mortgage contracts, IRS audits, contracts in general, family matters, divorce, child custody. What is your cost for time off? You have to locate a new hire or a temp. You have to interview people. You have to train people. You have lost productivity, administrative hassles, paperwork, payroll changes, etc. So these are all the things that affect your business for people taking time off for legal matters. So what does offering Legal Shield do for you as an employer? Well, Legal Shield's zero cost employee benefit allows you to enhance your employee benefit program, improve profitability by reducing absenteeism. Workers are more productive because they're less stressed. They have an attorney that's A-rated, that's highly competent, taking care of those legal issues that pop up from time to time just in life. It strengthens your attraction/retention for current and future quality employees. So, which employee perceives that they have a richer benefits? Company A spends $5,000 a year on health insurance and other benefits. Little or nothing on the other benefits. Company B spends $4,000 on health insurance, and then they have legal representation for traffic tickets, 24-hour, 24/7 consultation, wills, contract disputes, family issues. The company sponsors these types of programs. At which company, A or B, would an employee say, my company has rich benefits? Well, it's going to be B, because even though the company is spending less on their insurance, their health insurance, and those types of things, they're offering an array of other services and benefits to the employee, even if the employee has to come out of pocket for those benefits that they wouldn't get at the other employer. So they see that the company B is the more attractive package. So when is the last time an employee thanked you for their benefit option? Well, we find that 75% of employees want this membership. And when they do have an issue, things come up like traffic tickets, family matters, and they find that they have an attorney that will represent them during these things, you will find employees coming up and shaking your hand because you offered them this benefit. It's a win-win situation. Employees love Legal Shield for the benefits they obtain, and employers love Legal Shield for the employee gratitude, increased retention, decreased absenteeism. It's a true win-win situation. Employers are able to add a new benefit, choices at no extra cost to them, and improve employee retention. Employers also save money by reducing absenteeism, and employers are held harmless from legal disputes with as Legal Shield representing them. So here's how you get this done. Basically, you meet with me for 10 minutes. We fill out a one-page sheet of paper on how the employees will actually pay for Legal Shield and how this will be presented, and basically gives you an understanding of how we'll work with you. Employees meet with a Legal Shield associate in a group for 30 minutes. Employees will be given an overview of all 5 aspects of Legal Shield, just as we've done here on this little video. The entire process takes 30 minutes. No individual meetings are necessary. We don't have to call back anybody. Anybody that wants this benefit is eligible for it. There's no underwriting conditions. So basically, if they want it, they can have it that day, and we can start their process right that day. So there's no timely interference with your employees. It's one 30-minute meeting. At the conclusion of the enrollment, the employer is provided with a summary, including any payroll deductions that may be necessary. If you cannot take payroll deductions, Legal Shield can also take a bank deduction. So you don't have to worry about any added additional payroll additions to your servicing for your employees if you don't want to. If you prefer to have us take it out of their payroll, we can do that. If you prefer to have it them take care of it right from their bank, we can do that too. So that we are really flexible with handling that process for you. Additionally, we offer for your business legal protection. We can provide you contract reviews, debt collection services. We send out letters from an attorney on your behalf. 24/7 consultation with an attorney on HOR decisions or any decisions as far as building your business. Hiring, firing consultation. Equipment leases. If you're leasing large equipment, for over years, we can look at those contracts and review the decision that you're going to make and give you a legal opinion. And if your company has 10 employees that sign up by the end of this month, Legal Shield will give you a full legal review of how Obamacare will affect your business. And I can tell you that that's a significant offering from Legal Shield, because there are just tons and tons of legal aspects of Obamacare that you do need to be aware of. So let's get started. Give me a call at 703-675-0111. That's my cell phone, or you can email me at donaldgriffith@legalshieldassociate.com. Best way, though, is call my cell phone, and let's arrange a time to meet, get that paperwork done. And like I said, that really only takes 10 minutes. It's a one sheet of paper, and set up a time for us to get in front of your employees to show them what the benefits is all about. And we find that 75% of the people that come to those meetings that hear about the Legal Shield membership take us up on it. So again, thank you for your time, and I look forward to your call. Thank you.